What's up, guys? Welcome to day one of the Masters. It's like 6:15 in the morning. It's an early one, but it's a little bit of a special day for me, and I'll tell you guys why. Team USA asks the players if they want to wear their jerseys during the tournament. I opted in to say yes, which will be my first day ever wearing the Team USA jersey. So pretty special one for me to just put the jersey on, see how it feels, and hopefully bowl well day one of the Masters. The practice session seemed pretty easy. Urethane was heavily in play. I found a couple of other options with the mindset, stealth, sensor solid, balls like that, GB5. So we'll just keep my options open, knowing urethane's probably going to be the play, and let's get to bowling day one. What's up, guys? Didn't see you there. I don't know if you guys knew this, but we're running a 10% off code. All you gotta do is type in code HOUSE at checkout, and you can grab yourself some merch like this for 10% off. I mean, if I were you, I would buy it. All right, guys, so we just finished up the squad. I hit him really early and struggled late, so I'm on the truck now looking for a ball that's gonna fit the game plan late. You know, my look with the urethane ball was so good in practice, and then we showed up to bowl, and I don't know what the hell happened. So I threw a mindset, I threw a stealth.
Yeah, but then I seen you bowl 260 the first game with that mindset, and I'm like, yeah, here I am bowling 150 with my urethane ball. Shot 250 with the same ball the second game, so I'm like, all right.
Maybe it was just a pair. Yeah. It looked bad in practice.
pair.
I knew I had some other options, and it looked bad in practice, and then I moved a little bit, and I missed the head pin, and I was like, okay, maybe urethane's not it. And since I had other options already like in my mind, I was like, I can't just struggle because they seem easier, so I can't just like struggle with the urethane ball.
Yeah.
Every time I switched to a quicker ball, though, it was quicker, like at the arrows.
Yeah, okay.
I was like, let me go cleaner. Okay, this feels like the same that happened in Delaware, where it's like the further down in the list I go, the quicker it is at the arrows.
I feel like there is no really shape to the pattern other than on the outside, so that's the slot we got to bowl.
I know. You can't
find
a ball.
Early there. I did, like you said, you get something quicker, and it's even earlier. Almost.
Yeah, it's even
like,
earlier. Yeah, it's like
it just gets offline.
I went to a shiny GB5 and it was earlier and quicker, and I was like, "Am I throwing a bad?
Just the
I don't
last
know."
few frames, I tried it. All right, I gotta move right. I was like, no, still early. And let's go a little more. Still early, and then all of a sudden you wash out, and you're like, oh.
I guess
I missed the threshold or something.
Yeah,
like,
I was like, I feel like I'm bowling amazing, and everyone on my pair is plus. Here we are drilling some balls. This ball will be the answer. How'd you bowl?
I did not bowl well. I bowled okay. I'm plus 39. I had 580 the first 3, and then
I thought you were gonna say the first 2. I was like,
no, first 3, first 3 580, and then had 220 last 2.
No, you grinded.
Yeah, the fresh was rough.
Give it to me honest. There was a lot of F words thrown when me and Jesper were talking.
When Rob came by me, he goes, "Quit bitching about the right," and I just gave him the death glare. Welcome to the right-handed shootout, week 7 on the PBA tour.
It's not that bad.
It's not great. My ball reaction was good the first three, and then it completely disappeared, and I shot 130, 170 the last 2 to get to minus 20.
Let's talk to somebody who bowled well.
I just bowled.
Even he's not happy.
I had very slightly similar scores.
Somebody who bowled well.
All right, let's hear it, Chris.
Let's go find someone.
How'd you bowl?
Let's go find someone.
Let's go find somebody. Oh, wait, hey, look, we found somebody that bowled well.
Did you not know go for you?
I mean, I just crushed the first
Great
3.
one game.
Me and Kevin crushed the first 3.
Great game 1.
Yeah.
Even
Thought I
he
was
bowled
gonna
well
win.
the first 3.
I thought I was going to win as well.
They're so easy the first 3.
Yeah, but the problem is
The
it's easy
first
for
one.
everybody.
They're so easy the first one.
If you didn't hit the bad pairs game 2, you probably would have.
I hit a pair where there was a hole in the lane. There was a crack and a circle where the lane was lower.
Lane 27.
It was lane 64. My ball skipped 3 times on that lane the first shot. It went boom, boom, boom. I was like,
My ball
what?
did that almost.
Huh?
There's also 54 also has a crack in the panels, so it's separated.
Yeah,
Hey,
31 I threw it, I was like, that's...
First 3 were pretty sick.
I
780.
was saying almost 800.
With a ball I just drilled yesterday and I actually messed up on the middle finger, so it's an ovaled grip. Harsh reality.
So we're going to do that from now on.
So that was pretty good. And then once I had to... See, I'm just like a left-hander, really. Like, once I have to move in, just sub me out, honestly. It's 780 the first 3, and then 380 the next 2.
Okay.
So
660, 300. Let's go. They talk about our consistency and our bracket sets.
Yeah. Just
pretty
sucks to
good.
know what could have been.
Nah, I think you're fine. You're gonna.
Oh, it's a
you're gonna
fine score. Like, if it were the other way around, obviously, like, it'd be a great score. But it just sucks to start off so hot and then just plummet.
You're telling me.
They talk about it.
You went minus 20. I went minus 100 the
Very
last 2.
tough with 5 games. Because it's like you have one bad game, that's 20% of your score is